Hello everyone and welcome to another FeedArmy video. My name is Emmanuel and today Google has updated the price attribute within the policies. So this is where Google has changed what is applicable to the pricing. The first thing that we have noticed is that discounts or coupon prices are allowed in the price attribute if the following conditions are met. The discount or coupon prices are available to every user. The price after applying the discount or coupon is displayed clearly on the landing page. For more advanced promotional pricing, you can use the promotions feature. So the promotions feature is where the promotion is applicable or discounted at the checkout. If there's something that you can apply beforehand when there's like a coupon added, then that can be the price itself. So that is quite a cool feature. Now, how this really works in practice is a little bit puzzling, but I'm going by guessing how it should work. So Google needs to basically know what the price is between the data feed and the product landing page, including the structured data and the checkout. That means that the price needs to be exactly the same all the time. Now, if you're applying a discount at the product landing page, that means you need to be able to add it for everybody automatically. So if that is via a coupon or a discount, it needs to be applicable, and then that means you can lower the price on the data feed as well, so to show that exact same discount or coupon. So I believe that in that case you should find a mechanic to automatically apply the coupon for that specific product or for the whole site, whichever it is, and it is then visible at the product landing page. So make sure that the price between the data feed and the website, all areas including the structured data, shows the correct price matching if it is a discount. Of course, if it's not a discount, then you should still show the exact same product. But by this I mean, if you're discounting, then you need to make sure that mechanics work correctly, that it gets the discount visible. Now, that is not possible for every e-commerce platform, so if this works for you, that depends on what functions your e-commerce platform has. Another update is that don't submit a member price in the price or sale price attribute. You can only submit the member price for both paid and free programs using the loyalty program attribute where available. Another thing is, but this is not really new, but I would like to highlight that as well, display variants and their prices in a straightforward way on your product landing page. That means that if you're showing a t-shirt in 3 different colors or 3 different sizes, then each listing that you have in the data feed should show on the product landing page the exact same product, and then of course the price. So if you have a shirt that is in small, medium and large, most e-commerce platforms, if they are designed properly, should pre-select medium if, for example, in the ads the medium was selected. However, in certain cases this doesn't work properly. For example, the variant doesn't get pre-selected. So in these cases you need to update your website so that the variant is pre-selected and of course the price matches. For example, another issue that I found quite often is that in Shopify, for example, if the product is out of stock, for example the medium one, and they just clicked on the ad showing that specific product, if there's like a chance that the feed is not updated within a few hours, then that can happen where the landing page says it's out of stock, but in the data feed it says in stock. So in that case, for example, if somebody clicks on your ad and lands on your product landing page, it then defaults to the main product, which is then the small version. That action should not be allowed. So make sure that even if it's out of stock and the medium is selected, always show the medium a variant of that product. So basically what the consumer clicks on should be what the customer sees on the product landing page, from the title, the image, the price, the availability, etc. Now another change, this is not really a big change, but before this included an extra attribute which was tax. So submit all additional charges at the checkout that you charge as a merchant and that are not included in the price on your landing page. So in the US you had to actually show the tax as a separate attribute Now that is no longer required, so that is why this is updated, stating that tax is no longer required to be mentioned. That is basically because most likely a lot of merchants have difficulties assigning the correct tax values because it changes per state and even more detailed than that. So lots of tax complexities that the merchant no longer has to deal with. And then of course include any minimal order value in your shipping settings. That has always been the case, this is nothing new, but they just added that into the policy. I will link the policy in the description so you can read everything, but this is the main change that has been applied to the policy for this attribute, the price attribute. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment downstairs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.